Hi there, and welcome to MarkSharks Did You Know? In this episode, we cover some amazing facts about space that will rock your world. Space is a vast mystery, and we as human beings have been looking up at the stars for hundreds of years. Now, with modern technology and groundbreaking discoveries, we know more about space and have yet to explore its many secrets. Here are some amazing facts about space. Neutron stars can spin at a rate of 600 rotations per second. Neutron stars are one of the possible evolutionary endpoints of high-mass stars. They are born in a core collapse supernova star explosion and subsequently rotate extremely rapidly as a consequence of their physics. Neutron stars can rotate up to 60 times per second after born. Under special circumstances, this rate can increase to more than 600 times per second. Space is completely silent. Sound waves need a medium to travel through. Since there is no atmosphere in the vacuum of space, the realm between stars will always be eerily silent. That said, worlds with atmospheres and air pressure do allow sound to travel. Hence, while there's plenty of noise on Earth and likely other planets as well, there is an unaccountable number of stars in the known universe. We basically have no idea how many stars there are in the universe. Right now, we use our estimate of how many stars there are in our own galaxy, the Milky Way. We then multiply that number by the best guesstimate of the number of galaxies in the universe. After all that math, NASA can only confidently say that there are all zillions of unaccountable stars. A zillion is any unaccountable amount. The Apollo astronauts' footprint on the moon will probably stay there for at least 100 million years. Since the moon doesn't have an atmosphere, there is no wind or water to erode or wash away the Apollo astronauts' marks on the moon. That means their footprints, rover prints, spaceship prints, and discarded materials will stay preserved on the moon for a very long time. They won't stay on there forever though. The moon still is a dynamic environment. It's actually being constantly bombarded with micrometeorites, which means that erosion is still happening on the moon, just very slowly. 99% of our solar system's mass is the sun. Our star, the sun, is so dense that it accounts for a whopping 99% of the mass of our entire solar system. That's what allows it to dominate all of the planets gravitationally. Technically, our sun is a G-type main sequence star, which means that every second it fuses approximately 600 million tons of hydrogen to helium. It also converts about 4 million tons of matter to energy as a byproduct. When the sun dies, it will become a red giant and envelope the Earth and everything on it. But don't worry, that won't happen for another 5 billion years. More energy from the sun hits Earth every hour than the planet uses in a year. The use of solar energy has increased at a rate of 20% each year for the past 15 years. According to Yale Environment 360, the world added 30% more solar energy capacity in 2017, meaning that 98.9 gigawatts of solar energy was produced that year. Despite seemingly large numbers, this amount of energy only accounts for 0.7% of the world's annual electricity usage. If two pieces of the same type of metal touch in space, they will bond and be permanently stuck together. This amazing effect is called cold welding. It happens because the atoms of the individual pieces of metal have no way of knowing that there are different pieces of metal, so the lumps join together. This wouldn't happen on Earth because there is air and water separating the pieces. The effect has a lot of implications for spacecraft construction and the future of metal-based construction in vacuums. 1 day on Venus is longer than 1 year on Earth. Venus has an extremely slow axis rotation that takes about 243 Earth days to complete one full cycle. Funny enough, it takes Venus even less time in Earth days in order to complete one revolution around the Sun, 226 to be exact. Furthermore, the Sun rises every 117 Earth days, which means that the Sun will rise only 2 times during each year, which is also technically in the same day. Since Venus also rotates clockwise, the sun will rise in the west and set in the east. And those are some fascinating facts about space. To learn more cool facts like these, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Facebook, and Instagram. We at MarkSharks believe that learning can be fun and is the only way one should study. Try our app and see for yourself how amazing you can be. To download and use MarkSharks for 1 week absolutely free, click the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching this video, and see you all soon again. MarkSharks, learning by doing.